Now, here's a bit wobbly there. Here's a strange one then. But I've just been watching the first half. Newcastle United there. Um, Not doing too bad now. Started terribly, but anyway. Russell Brand. Now, a few years ago, a couple of years ago, I think, a friend of mine bought me some tickets. A friend from down south bought me some tickets to go and watch Russell Brand. I've never really listened to him, paid any attention to him, much at all ever. But, it was a kind gesture, and she was travelling all the way up to Newcastle, so, to watch him. So, and bought tickets for me and Janine to go with her. So we went along to watch, again, really, it's not really my thing. It's, some of the stuff he says is funny, taking the mick, but it was okay. But anyway, we went along with her. And then at the end of the show, he was going to do some kind of meditation with the audience if he wanted to stay after the show for like half an hour or something. I don't really know. I have to admit, I went, look, I'll just meet yous later, and I went to the pub. But anyway, so have you noticed he's been a little bit more vociferous in his talks and works about whatever you want to call it, the system, rage against the system, yeah? And all these years that he's been around, and he's always been very open about what he was like, very promiscuous, he's always been very mouthy. But now that he's made a stand, now that he's actually said some things going against, Big Pharma, going against, the narrative, then all of a sudden, all of these things are like coming out, or they're attacking him, and he's getting accused of this and allegations of this, that, and the next thing. It's just typical, isn't it? I mean, like, anyone, that speaks out about it. Look at Matt Letizia, and then now Russell Brand's been a little bit more noisy in his critical talks of what's been going on and the scam and everything like that. And then straight away, boom, they're onto him, attacking him. They're going to try and destroy his life. They're going to try and destroy his career. Be interesting to watch, unfortunately for him, what's going to be happening over the next period of his life. But yeah, just thought I'd have a quick video and just keep an eye on what's going on. You go against the system, you go against the grain, you speak out about the narrative, and they attack you terribly. Have a watch of him.